Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Volkswagen Sharan today, and this is a 2016 model. From factory car has the original backup camera with the RNS 510. We removed its original head unit and replaced with an Android screen. So in the Android screen you can see this is the 9-inch Android screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto functions. Both are wireless. First of all, in the Android screen you can see we have apps on the home menu. We have some shortcut apps. First of all, we have applications. We will go back, we'll later on discuss this feature. We have Google Maps. This maps works with the internet. Right now I don't have internet connected with my screen, but you can connect internet with the Wi-Fi or with the USB with the SIM card. So we installed the SIM card slot and 2 USB slots. Here you can see this kind of SIM card slot you will get with this screen. So you can insert a SIM card. So then we have the again radio works normally as original, so you can save channels. So steering wheel buttons, everything is working as normal, same like original. Plus we have the Bluetooth. Right now my phone is connected with the Bluetooth with CarPlay. Here you can see right now my iPhone is connected. Here I have all the applications, Waze, Swedish radio, like my phone calls, and here is the app menu. In the app menu I have phone, music, apps, messages, playing back, lots of other applications. I don't have so much application installed, but here you can see lots of applications are coming here on the Apple CarPlay. I can use Waze or any kind of Google Maps or navigation system in the screen. Here you can see we have everything here coming. So here you can see, so all the applications or navigation systems works here. If I will tap on the home menu, we have the songs as well. This is a song shortcut. We have some inbuilt songs. I think we can check. Here you can see. So these sounds, you can change the songs as well with the steering wheel buttons. Like here you can see. So all are working as original. Then if you go to app menu, we have lots of other applications for App Store, aux, Bluetooth, calculator, CarLink. This is the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Then we have Chrome is for basically surfing, or you can use internet via Chrome. Right now I don't have internet connected, that's why not working. We have equalizer, we have a fan for keeping the screen cool. So here we have applied for always running. You can adjust with the temperature as well, but there are lots of settings for fan as well. I have a file manager for copy moving files. We have Google, we have iGo navigation. This navigation works offline without internet for complete Europe. So I will show you this like this. I need to set this up. We'll select Swedish, so it is for all European languages for all Europe. So here right now we are at Malmvägen HND. Here is our shop address. So on going back, I will turn this navigation off. Then we have Google Maps, same I have shown you earlier. We have MCU key, settings, music, navigation, Netflix works with the internet. Right now I don't have any internet. So then we have Play Store for downloading all kinds of applications. We have radio, we have settings for the stereo settings, sound settings, display settings. We have Spotify, steering wheel controls, touch assistant, same like iPhone. We have vehicle settings for original information for car, when you open the door, so it will show the door is open for the car, also temperature, battery voltage, lots of other information like how much fuel we have. It depends on the car. If your car has these kind of features, so it will learn automatically via CAN bus. Then we have video, you can watch video while driving. So so you can see we have a video working. It will not stop while driving, so you can watch while driving as well. On going again to the home menu, this is the home menu. We have lots of other themes as well. The climate control is also working on the screen. Like if you will turn the climate control on, like here, if you will adjust the temperature, it will be synchronized with the canvas. Here you can see 19 degrees, it's here as well, 19 degrees. So you can adjust it with your temperature knob, or it will appear here as well. Plus this car has a factory backup camera that we have connected with the same screen. So here you can see the lines are working with the steering wheel. So that's and the sensors are also coming up, appearing here. You can adjust the signs and radar settings. Everything is available here. Line settings, restore default. So that's the backup camera that is installed. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask the questions in the comments below or in the description. I will provide all the contact information. You can contact us via our email or WhatsApp. That's the video for today. See you next time. Bye bye.